You're trying to join a team with your coworkers, but you already made an account and you can't make a team yourself. What do? Well, easy. All you need to do is give the person who's going to be making the team your email. Then the person who's in charge of making the team, once you give them the email, can invite you as an existing registered member. They can just copy-paste your email in there and add you. Sweet. From there, you should be in. Now let's head on back over to your account. If you reload the page, you will now see that the Campaign URLs tab is completely restricted. That means you're in. If you go to the Teams tab, then you should see the same number of people that the Team Super Admin would see in the Members page. Again, the Members page. When anyone is invited to a CampaignTrackly team, they are first placed in the Members page. What this means is that any newcomer is not able to do anything. So if you see that features or pages are restricted, make sure to tell your super admin to add you to a team, which is as simple as click Add Member to a Team, Admin Workspace, or whatever operative team you use, save. And make sure the admin double checks that Admin Workspace does indeed now have you. Alright, sweet, it does. Now, let's head back over to your account one more time. Reload the page again, and you'll now see, yay, you're in Admin Workspace. And if you go to Campaign URLs, then you should have access to your team's campaigns.